Welcome guys, this is Antony Vijay. This is my 20th video. Today's topic is multiplication table from 11 to 100. So here I will give you some tricks to do multiplication table from 11 to 100. First of all, we just start with table 11. For table 11 you have to write to one table like this, okay? This is table 1, this is also table 1. So table 1 means you have to write a sequence from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Same way, this is also table 1, okay? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 11, for table 11 you have to write to one table like this, in this order. After that you have to join both the digits. So 1 can be 11, 2 will be 22, okay? 3 will be 33, 4 will be 44, 5 will be 55, 6 will be 66, 7 will be 77, 8 will be 88, 9 will be 99. The last step, you have to add the interdigits, okay? So here 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, finally you have to do 0. So this is the way you have to create a table 11. Let me see the table 12 now. So for table 12 you have to write one table and then two table, then join both table. So table 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then two table, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So now join both the digits. So 1, 2 it is 12, 2, 4 is 24, 3, 6 is 36, 4, 8 is 48. So here 5 plus 1 it is 6, 60, 6 plus 1 it is 7, 72, 7 plus 1 is 8, 84, 8 plus 1 it is 9, 96, 9 plus 1 it is 10, 108. Here you have to put 1 outside is already there, so 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, then 0. That's all. This is the easiest way. Let me see the table 15 now. Table 15. So here you have to write a table 1 and write a table 5 and then join it, okay? So table 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. Then 5 table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now you have to join both the digits. So 1, 5 is 15. So you have to add the inner digits. So plus like this. So 2 plus 1 is 3. It is 30. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4, 45. 4 plus 2 is 6, 60. 5 plus 2 is 7, 75. 6 plus 9, 3 is 9, 90. 7 plus 3 is 10, 5. Okay, 105. 8 plus 4 is 12, is 0, 120. 9 plus 4 is 13, 5 here, 135. We have to put 1 here, 0 plus 5 is 5, finally 0. This is the way. Let me see the table 16 now. For table 16, you have to write 1 table and 6 table. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 table. Okay, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Okay, now you have to join both the digits. So 1 6 is 16. Add the inner digits like this. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 32. 3 plus 1 is 4, 8, 48. 4 plus 2 is 6, here 4, 64. 5 plus 3 is 8, here 0, 80. 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 here, 96. 7 plus 4 is 11, here 2, 112. 8 plus 4 is 12, here 8, 128. 9 plus 5 is 14, 144. Outside 1 is there, 0 plus 6 is 6, 160. This is the easiest way. Okay, let me see the table 19 now. For table 19, you have to write table 1 and then write table 9 and join both the digits. So table 1 and 9 here. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here. For 9 it is 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. Okay, now you have to join both the digits. So 1 9 is 19. Okay, so you have to add the inner digit like this. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3, it is 8 outside, 38. 3 plus 2 is 5, 7 outside, 57. Likewise 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, 76. 5 plus 4 is 9, 95. 6 plus 5 is 11, 114. Okay, 11 plus 6 is 13, 133. 8 plus 7 is 15, 152. 9 plus 8 is 17, 171. Here 1 outside, 0 plus 9 is 9, put 0. That's all. This is the easiest way. Let me see that table 20 now. So first of all, you have to write the table 2 and you have to add 0 at the end. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so at the end you have to add 0 here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, like this. Okay, that's all. This is the easiest way. Okay, let me see the table 38. Okay, I have taken a number random between 20 to 100, so it is 38 right now. Okay, so for 38 table you have to write 3 table and 8 table and join it. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay, 3 table is over. Then go for 8 table. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Now join the 2 digits. So 3 8 is 38. You have to add the inner digits. So here 6 plus 1 is 7, 76. 9 plus 2 is 11, so it is 114. We put 1 here. 2 plus 3 is 5, then 2. 1 put here, 1 here. 5 plus 4 is 9, then 0. Put 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 put here, 1 as a carry, and 8. So it is 228. Okay. Same manner. Put 2 here. 1 plus 5 is 6, and this is 6. 266. Then put 2 here. 4 plus 6 is 10. Put 0 here. 1 as a carry, and 4 here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 304. Okay. Then 2. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 here and 1 is a carry. Put 2 here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 342. 3 here. 0 plus 8 is 8. Then 0. 380. This is the way. Okay, let me see the tables. 64. So here you have to write the 6 table first, and then 4 table, then you have to join both the digits. Okay, so first 6 table. 6, 12, okay, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Okay, 6 table is over. Then go for 4th table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now you have to join both the digits. 6, 4. It is 64. 12, 8. It is 128. Now you have to join the inner digits. It means you have to sum the inner. So add the inner digits like this. Okay. So put 1 here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 192. 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 56. 3. 0 plus 2 is 2. 320. So 3 here. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 outside. Okay. 4 outside. 2 plus 2 is 4. 448. 4 outside. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. Put 1 here and 1 as a carry, and 2 here. So while adding it, 5, 1, 2. Okay. 5 here. 4 plus 3 is 7, 576. 6 here. 0 plus 4 is 4, then 0, 640. Okay, this is the easiest way to do. Let me see the table 97. So first of all, you have to write the 9th table, then you have to write the 7th table, then join both the digits. So 9, 18, 27, 36, okay, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Okay, 9th table is over. Then go for 7th table. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Now join both the digits. 9, 7. It means 97. Okay, so put plus here. So 1 outside. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 4. Okay, 194. Then 2 outside. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 1 outside. So here 3 outside, 6 plus 2 is 8, then 8, 388. Then 4 outside, 5 plus 3 is 8, okay, 5 outside. 5 outside here, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 is outside here, okay, 582, like this. 6 outside, 3 plus 4 is 7, 679. 7 outside, 2 plus 5 is 7, 776. 8 outside, 1 plus 6 is 7, 873. 9 outside, 0 plus 7 is 7, 970. That's all. This is the easiest way. Keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.